Alright, so this video will demonstrate how to use easycalculation.com to calculate your one-way analysis of variance, and basically to find our f-test value so that we can go back and complete step 4, which is to compare our test value with our critical value to determine whether or not we will reject or not reject the null hypothesis. So just like in our previous slides, the introduction, this would be our x1s, this would be our x2s, this would be our x3s. So we come over here into our x1s, type in 36, and it actually squares it for us, which we don't really care about. Our 44, 34, and 35. You come over to your x2s, type in your 43, 35, and so forth. I'm going to hit pause. I'll finish putting those in. Alright, so once you have all your data values entered in, double check what you care about is do you have your x1s, do you have your x2s, and do you have your x3s. What they're doing here for you is that, like I said, if we were actually doing this by hand, we would need to know these squared values and be able to sum them up. So when I go down here and hit calculate, you're going to see that there's a lot more information, just like on the TI-8384 video, than we need. So we come down here, they're already calculated. You can click the calculate button if you want. And remember, the data value that we care about is the f value. So let's scan around here and see. Alright, so there we go right there. So our f value that we calculated previously, let me hit pause just a moment. Our f value that we had calculated with the graphing calculator or the textbook gave us was f equals 4.83. Their f value is 4.98. Is 4.98. So minor calculation differences, maybe they rounded their numbers in a different spot, whatever, just, but for the sake of what we're doing, this is going to get us through. Our data values aren't going to be so close that it's going to be that significant that we need to worry about this. If it does come into play and you're taking a quiz or a test and you lose a point because the f value that easycalculation.com gives you causes you to make a conclusion that is incorrect, bring it to my attention, share the numbers with me, share your scratch work with me, and we can make those adjustments. But obviously what's happening here is, like I said, it's probably, you'll notice all of these data values are rounded to 3 decimal places. Maybe the calculator goes out further. Maybe the calculator goes out for 6 decimal places. So that's causing that little bit of difference of, what are we looking at, 15 hundredths between the 4.83 and the 4.98. So there's the f value that we would take. That f value would go back, we compare it to our critical value to determine whether or not we would to reject or to not reject our null hypothesis.